Yo, what's up, bro? Check out the kitchen.
Okay, fine. What is it? You bought a brand new microwave. Oh, this? When we already bought one 2 days ago? Yeah. Why? Because this one only cost like $50 or so. Dude, the microwave we bought cost the same amount of money.
Well, this one is magic.
What's so great about this one?
You put frozen food in there and it becomes edible.
That's literally what a microwave is. Are you seriously that dumb?
Well, the seller said it was magic.
You got scammed. Really think so, huh? Oh wait, it's time for my tournament. See ya. Good riddance. Alrighty, time to play some PlayStation 2. Where's the disc?
The batteries are gone too.
I'm gonna text him right now. What the heck? What's with the microwave? That was weird. Let's see if we have any backup controllers. Wait a sec, what? It's back! Interesting. Don't you have a basketball tournament today or something? Huh? No, I told you, it got cancelled. When was this? About last week. Dude, you literally just left to... You know what, forget it. Well, I got this text from my coach in a group chat. So you're telling me that I got a text last week, but you sent it to me 5 minutes ago. And the microwave over there was acting all weird. I don't believe you. Okay, fine, you don't believe me? Well then, I guess I'll have to show you myself. Oh right, I forgot about the brownie. Huh? I just finished heating them up. Where the heck did they go? Wait, now it's making food disappear.
Dude, they teleported. Just like the bananas in Steins gate.
I should try this for myself. I'm gonna remind you to watch RWBY. What's that song you're playing? You just watched a piano cover of RWBY. How long ago did you start watching it? I started watching it a while ago. Did my text seriously travel back in time? Well then, dude, we could really use this to our advantage. Like, we could win the lottery with this thing. Alright, text me the number. You got it, bro! Clone, did you eat the lottery ticket? I must say, it tasted pretty good. I'm not surprised anymore.